Hey guys, Audrey Wiggins here with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Lifestyle Property Partners. I'm pleased to present one of my newest horse farm listings, 695 Byrd Road in Vass, North Carolina. This house sits on 12.5 acres with 3 large pastures, a private pond, and a nice barn for your horses. This is a custom-built home in 2019. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with a fully finished upstairs bonus area and bedroom. Downstairs we have an open concept, granite counters in the kitchen, luxury vinyl plank on the floors. It's a truly lovely property. The garage has been outfitted as a workshop, so it's a total man cave. This is a great location, just a short drive to Southern Pines and Pinehurst. It's also a short commute to Fort Bragg Army Air Base. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this property or any other property, please don't hesitate to call. I'd be happy to help you out. Remember, lifestyle is where it begins, and we are your lifestyle property partners.